Alright guys, here we go. 2014. Very clean 2014 SR5 Toyota Tundra. Great truck. Couple owners, and they did a really good job of taking care of this beautiful Toyota Tundra. As I stated, it's 2014 SR5, just over 100,000 miles. Only here at Heyward Toyota. You can see at the front you have your fog lights with the chrome grille. You have your standard SR5 wheels. This vehicle does not come with the running boards. It is a double cab, so you got plenty of room in it. And it does have your long bed on it. So you got a long box, you got your tow hitch in the back. You got your harness here to hook up your tow hitch. Backup camera there. Bed liner, easy let down gate. No noise, no slamming. Very great truck. If you know anything about Tacomas, Tundras, or Toyota brands at all, you know this truck will last for another 100,000+ miles. Again, 2014 Toyota Tundra. You can only find it here at Heyward Toyota in Athens, Georgia. Black exterior. It's equipped with bed liner, backup camera, fog light, alloy SR5 wheels. Give me a moment, we'll check out the inside. Entering the back, you can see you have plenty of room. Gray cloth seats, AM, FM touchscreen, also XM. All your functions on your steering wheel. Again, 2014 Toyota Tundra. You can find it here at Heyward Toyota in Athens, Georgia.